Wonderful updated 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom unit overlooking the pool and lake. Light and bright, the unit features an eat-in kitchen, inside laundry room, and large screen balcony. Enjoy 2 heated pools, a jacuzzi, well-equipped fitness center, or take a walk around its lake. The property is conveniently located just minutes from downtown Delray Beach and Boca Raton and only a mile from the ocean. Easy access to I-95 and walk to shopping and entertainment. Available as an off-seasonal or seasonal rental. Call us for availability and pricing.